Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina. If you're new here, today's video I am going to deep clean my kitchen. I want to do a complete spring reset. It needs just a nice refresh. So we're gonna clean the appliances. I've got dishes to put away. I have Le Creusets to really deep clean. I have a list back here of everything that needs to be done, like a little baking section for my cookie sheets and whatnot that has like oil spilt on the bottom. I think it's oil, I don't know, but it needs cleaning. So I figured I would take y'all along with me. Maybe this video will be just the inspiration that you need or some motivation to get your kitchen set for spring and or just the week ahead. So let's go ahead and get started. One of the things I really wanted to get done today is cleaning my Le Creuset pots and pans. I have a few and they're just looking a little rough. So here's what they're supposed to look like. So Le Creuset is enameled cast iron, so it's supposed to look beautiful and creamy white like this, but I use mine all the time, generally all the time. And so this is what it looks like right now. And it's completely clean. It's just this is what happens with enameled surfaces. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this. Years ago, one of my friends suggested using Barkeeper's Friend to clean it and just use just a little bit along with your Dawn soap and use a soft pad. Like it cannot be rough because the abrasion will ruin the enamel. So every couple of weeks I go in and I do this kind of like deep clean. I shouldn't even say a couple of weeks, it's like a couple of months really. I do this deep clean for my Le Creuset pots and pans to keep them nice and beautiful looking. I'm actually missing my frying pan. Let me get that. See? So all the bottoms look like this too. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and clean. It's not gonna be completely perfect. There is like a stamped logo here for Le Creuset, and like it says made in France and like the size of the pan, and that's really, those numbers and those letters are really hard. You can take a toothpick and work at it, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna clean them so they look pretty and presentable again, and then I'll let them dry before putting them away. All right, these have all been clean. They are good to go. I am still working on the frying pan. As you can see, it's mostly good, but I cannot stand like how it still has some of these like dark flecks, and it's just gonna take a little bit of time to really scrub it. And I mean, my arm right now is dying. Like, it was so hard. I gave it a lot of elbow grease, and this is what it looks like. So I'll come back to it a little bit later, but at least I got the rest done, and now I need to start putting the dishes away before I clean. I want to organize the freezer, and I need to clean the appliances. This is a lot of work. A lot of work. I still need to wipe down the countertops and then get into that baking tray section. Then I should be done. But my goodness, this is taking a long time. Hey Ram, do you want to say hi to the vlog? Do you want to say hi? Say hi, buddy. Hello. Hi, bud. You're a good boy. Hi. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. I want new trays so badly. These are so old and so used. If you have a favorite like baking sheet brand, let me know because I need all new baking things. It's not the prettiest, but it's all clean. mouse, so adorable. I keep it next to the oven and she watches all the baking and cooking that I do. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and make some lunch. I finished everything that I'm gonna do today. The last thing that I need to do is like deep clean the oven. So we'll just do that another day. But at least everything else is clean. It smells so good in here. I have some mozzarella sticks for lunch and I'll probably warm up some leftover pasta. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, your week ahead, and we'll see you on the next episode. Bye.